Hello friends, welcome back to TechFit channel. Today we are we will be learning single linked list, how to create a single linked list, how to display and do different operation on single linked list. But before that, hope you guys have gone through my previous video on linked list introduction, which is uploaded on linked list. So if you have not gone through, you can find this link in my this channel in this video, so that first I will recommend to go through this linked list introduction if you don't know, and then you can learn on how to write the code on that. But brief introduction is very much important. So as I told that I'll be going through linked list introduction. So yeah, let's start. So uh, I told you earlier, right? The linked list is collection of nodes, right? So this means that class linked list will contain another class node. So we will be creating first class node, right? So let's do that. So hope you guys know the basic of Python. So this class is mostly for I will be focusing on linked list. So we won't be covering much on Python. If you guys don't know, please feel free to mention it in comment box, so that next time I can come up with your problem. Yeah. So if you remember that I told in last class that node will be the collection of what? It will be the collection of data, right? Data and what? Hope you guys remember. No. So it's address, right? Address. So if you remember that I mentioned that next pointer will be pointing to the where next data is located, and linked list is used when you remember, guys remember, it will be used when there won't it will be in deep fragmented, so deep means fragmented way. Memory is available in fragmented way. So that time, and obviously other positives are there, but one of the scenario where array can't be used, so that time we use the linked list, one of these scenario. But there are other advantages which we use, like that you guys can go through my other videos. But yeah, sorry, looks like some disconnection. So yeah, so I was telling that there are other benefits also, like we, as I told, right, it linked list don't trade contiguous location, it need contiguous location. And it has another benefit that dynamic allocation can happen, but which is not happen in this contiguous location, sorry, in array. And yeah, other aspects are there, uh, which you can go through my older videos, and there you will find it in much more detail. But this video is mostly focused uh, on the in the code, writing of the code. Okay, so let's continue now. Yeah, so I hope you guys have understood. Now connection is back. So data, so first item will be data, and the second will be next address will be none. Why? Because this in the initially when we will create the first data, the node of the next address will be pointing to none. It will be null. I explained you guys earlier, right? So let's create the class, sorry, class link. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it single linked list, so that in future if we'll create another thing, so it will be useful. And what it will do, remember, will point head initially to none, right? Hope you guys remember, in my last class I told that head is the start, where the node starts, right? So from where the traversing starts, that time. So we will be now defining the other things. So suppose you have created you have existing linked list, so in that you can append a node, right? So for that we can write a function, so in which it will take one data, what data you want to add, so that is the thing. And yeah, so what new node will contain, it will contain address and data, right? And now we will traverse and we will append it the end. If there are no nodes, what we will do, tell me. If there are no nodes, it will be the first node, so new node will point to head and we will return from here. Yeah, my bad. Problem with very much familiar with my, means very much I write code in C++, that's why I put semicolon, but yeah, no worries, that is typo. And now we will, what we will do, we have created the first node. If suppose it list is created newly, and suppose you have the existing node, so self dot head. So if you'll see, we have checked whether it's null. If it's not null, then we'll go and create the we'll assign a kind node to head, and then we will traverse through it, and we will do this till current dot next is not null, right? So we'll keep traversing, and what we will do is simple, current is equal to current dot next. And dot next, whatever new node is created, we will assign it to this, and that's it. After this, append operation is done. Now we can one more function we can write if you want to append the new node. What are the, this will be appending at the end. Now when we will be appending, suppose, to first node, prepend. Okay, so just name it prepend, and then new node is equal to data. We'll create a new node. New node is equal to, and then what we will do, we have created a new node and there is an existing list which start from where, tell me, head, right? So this, so what will be the next of this, tell me. Next of this will be the head, right? So self dot head, so simple, right? Hope you guys are understanding. See here we have first checked, we need to append at the end, so we checked whether the head is existing or not. If head is not existing, then we will create this and return, and if it head is existing, then we will traverse here. What it will do, current self dot head, it will, current will be the head, and now it is going to next, and current next, so it will every time it will go to next node, and when till the next is there, next is not none, then till then it will traverse, and then at the end when we got the none, so current dot next is none, now we will assign the new node. And new node, so you know, new node we are, how we are creating, we are creating data as data and next is none. So always, so here also next is none, now we are doing this. So good, hope you guys are understanding and following me. And here we are anyway need to create the first, it's very simple, right? Just create the node and keep the head now to new node. So now head is new, right? So one more thing is new, no, that's it, right? It's so simple. Again I am iterating here that new node we have created, and we got the address of the new node, and now new node that next is equal to self dot head. So now whole link, here we are creating the new node next, so whole linked list we are appending to this new node, and now we are making the new node address as the head. So that's it. So this is how pre-appending is done. Now we will do one more operation, delete, and what it will do, we will enter the value as a parameter, what value needs to be deleted, and now current is equal to obviously self dot head, and if current means if current is not none, and current data, right? We need to match data with the value. If data is equal to value, then we need to, what do we need to do? So what we need to do, so current dot next, we will be making that head and we will simply remove it from here. Means you find the value in the very first node, so here we will delete this. Means simply we will return. But suppose what will happen, so now we are checking that while current now current is not none and current dot data is equal to value, till is not equal to value, we will, what we will do, we will just move forward. So what we will do, we will assign a new node previous, which will point, which will become the current, and current will become next. So current will point to next and previous, so whatever the previous, next to previous will be current. Hope you are getting me. Now this is done. Okay. And as soon as this condition will not verify, suppose, and means it will break into condition, right? So if it will be none or this is equal to value. So suppose we are hoping this, we are checking this condition that if current, means if current was not none and this condition not satisfied. Okay, this means we got the value. So what we will do, previous dot next. Now in previous current was there. Now what we will do, we will remove that this current node. So previous dot next, we will make it current dot next, and we will free that node. If you will write this code in C or C++, you need to free that node. but here we don't have to do this. There we use pointer, right, and we use malloc to all allocate this, but we don't have to do all this here. So now we have added, deleted. Now we'll do display operation, and then we'll run the code and we'll check how it's working. So display is nothing but just we want to traverse through each the node, which we are doing in the above, just, and then we will present it, and then we will present it. That's it. This was very simple. Current is equal to, tell me guys, current initially it will start with, any traversal start with head, always remember that. Okay, now what we will do, we'll print this. We will traverse when till current is not none. Okay, so always remember that. While so current dot data, and in earlier classes always I have explained that if you will not mention end here, then it will terminate with new line, and here we don't want to terminate this with new line. So what we will do, we'll make an arrow that first point to second, and it will terminate with this, and then we will go to next node. Guys, if you will not understand anything, please feel free to mention it in comment section. I will come back and I will answer. I'll try to answer it there, or we can do something, but feel free to comment. Okay, now our code is ready. Now we will run it. So for that we will write if it's a main module class, then we will do ll equal to single linked list we are creating. So it will create first, it will create empty, right? So ll dot append, suppose we will append 10. Now we will append one more, append 20. Now we will append one more, or we can do prepend, and we can print 8. Okay, then we will do ll dot display, and then we can delete something, maybe what is in between 8, will display ll dot delete 10, and then we'll do again display, and we'll see. Save it. Here we have missed colon. Now I think our code is ready, so we will not do anything. Okay, so we will run it. We will see if we have written the code correctly. Then, oh wow, we have written the code in one shot. Correct. So if you'll see that we are pending, have written 10 28. So I think I should put one display in between so that you guys see that also. And clear terminal, we'll run it once more. See, 1020. Now 1020. Now it become fast because we have append we have called, and then after that we have deleted 10, so we have deleted this. Now we have C. So this is that, and then it is just for optional purpose I have printed here. If you will see, none in display purpose, but we should not. For your understanding we have done this, but we can do anything. We should remove 8 10 20. So what the way we are doing. So I hope you guys understood this. In case of any question, come back. I will be more than happy to help you guys. And yeah, and more important, you should write it, you should practice it, so that you can answer it in your interview question. Also, do dry run. It's very much helpful. It helps you to understand the code better. And hope you like the video. So please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed till now. Till then, bye, and wait for my next video. Thank you.